Hi everybody, this is Lise-Anne Michelle from Pick and Knit Patterns. I just am working on my denim teddy bear sewing pattern today, and I wanted to show you guys how to do a whip stitch. So in the pattern it says that you can use regular sewing thread and you can machine sew or you can hand sew, but another option is to use embroidery floss, and that just makes more of a statement. So if you want like a contrasting color, you want more of a pop, you can do embroidery floss. And what I did was I chose a color, and then there's 6 strands in a piece of embroidery floss. I just divided it in half. So it's 3 strands, and then a whip stitch is really simple. You're just gonna take your sewing needle and you're going to insert it right at the edge of the piece, down through, and then you're gonna come back up. I'm doing my stitches pretty close together. You can do them as far apart as you would like. Come back up right next to that one. I'm just gonna do a few so you can see. So you go down in at the edge and back up right beside the stitch you just made, and one more. Down and back up, and that's a whip stitch. That's just one option for this bear. One other thing I was going to mention is if you want the fabric not to fray as much, this is just quilting cotton, but I do think it's cute with a little bit of fray, so I wouldn't worry about it too much. But I just put a little bit of interfacing on the back of these 3 pieces. So I cut the pattern pieces out, and then I cut the pattern pieces out again in interfacing, and ironed on some interfacing so that it doesn't fray. I've done it both ways, it doesn't really matter, but that's just one idea. So thanks for watching.